Hello and welcome to Sunshine Trackers, home of HVAC Maintenance Tracker. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a property to your customers. So when you log in, you're going to come to your home page where your customers are, and we're going to click on Demo. In the demo, you've already have some properties here, but right here is where you add a property. So you click on that, and you call it whatever it is. Maybe this is their home. Or it could be one of their condos or whichever. So we're going to create this as a home, and then we're going to type in an address, and then we're going to do a city 29575, and then it automatically creates a start date for you of today's date. So today's September 20th, so it'll automatically go there. It automatically goes 1 year, and we're going to do a 1 year term, and then we're going to do year, and then contact billing, we're just going to say they pay annually. They pay once a year. And then their number of inspections, usually we do 2, and then the date, today's the 20th, so we're just going to go ahead and use the same date. We're just going to pretend that the technician was there, sold the maintenance contract, and he went ahead and done one of the inspections today. So we're going to pick that he was there in September, and then the 2019, and then the next one is going to be due on the 20th of March, which would be 6 months and of next year. And then you can upload a copy of the contract. So if you have that and you want to put it in here, you click on that, and wherever you have the contract loaded on your computer, then you can upload that there. The same with the property image. You can do that as well. So if you have, say it's in along Ocean Boulevard, and there's a lot of different buildings there, and it's hard to find the numbers, or it's a commercial building somewhere, and it's just hard to find. So you could actually take a picture of that building and put it there. Or you could put a picture of their house if you wanted. That way you can just kind of know how to get the technician there. So we're going to add the property. Now, all we do is come down here, and you can see that the home is here. And that's all there is to adding a property to one of your customers. Once you do that, then you can come in here, and then you can add equipment. And that's in another video we have. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and refer us out to other contractors. Much appreciated.